Hey, Obie. Hi, Obies. Hey, Rihanna. Tika's getting out of bed. There's Asha. So cute. Ooh, foster dad John is here. Hi, John. How are the babies? I'm sure they're doing wonderful. Hello. Hi, Mama. So cute. Oh, those are nice purrs, Tika. Hee hee hee. Oh, Mama, get out of the kitten's litter box. You do not need to go pee-pee in there. Silly. It's not for mummies. Yeah, it's not for mummies. Too cute. Alright. Hey, Mama. We're going to have the babies try fudge again, since they so much enjoyed it last night. Didn't you? You guys enjoyed it. It was yummy. It was very yummy. Who wants to go first? Get out of here, Mama. Oops. Tikas. There's some air in this one. Oh, so good. So good. So good. There's only a little bit left. Who's next? Are you next? Are you next? Here. Here. Hey, you. Rihanna doesn't like it as much as the others. The others love it. So good. So good. Yum, yum, yum. Oh, eat that whole thing. Eat the whole thing. Here, Mama. Too cute. Yummy. Come here. I have a lid on the bowl of Fuds. Because Mama Kenya, here. Mama Kenya is on the hunt. Hey, you. This is Obi. I thought the other one was Obi. That was Asha. Obies. Face this way so we can see you. Oh, it's so good. So good. Yum, 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 yum. Here you go, Tikas. Here you go. Oh, so good. So good. Ooh. Get out of here, mamas. Here. Oh, it's so good. It's so good. So cute. Obies. Obies. Oh, yum. Oh, he's such a good boy. You're such a good boy. Miss Rihanna, who doesn't like it so much. Come here, you. Come here, Asha. Oh, so good. So good. Yum, yum, yum. You go, Obies. Oh, it's yummy. So yummy. You want to try the bowl? You want to try the bowl like a big girl? Yes, Mama Kenya, I know. You know how to use the bowl. We know. You're good at using a bowl. Are your babies good at using the bowl? Whoop. And what, Asha? You want to try? You want to be like Mommy? Way to go, Mommy. Here. Try to be like Mommy. You're silly. You're silly. You guys were much cleaner tonight. It went into your mouth instead of the floor. Good job, kittens. Good job. You want the last little bit, Missy? Here. She's like, no, I don't. I really don't. Here, Mama. Clean up the scraps. Here. What are the babies doing? Here. Silly babies. Silly babies. You guys having fun over there? They have not used the litter box yet. Go, Rihanna, go. Little climber. Obi's got food on his face. So cute. How come you have food on your face, Obi? Get Asha playing with Mommy's tail. Adorable. Look at you, Tika. You guys are getting so big. What are you doing, Obi? You looking for a place to snuggle? Yeah. Those are nice purrs. Hi. What are you doing, Mama? So cute. What are you guys doing? Hi, Mama. Asha wanted to sit in the corner. She pushed Rihanna out of the way. Too funny. Too funny. Guess we should weigh them in. See how big they are today. They're forever growing. All right, Miss Tika, should we weigh you first? Should we weigh you first? Rihanna, you're being all cute back there, just sitting pretty. Ooh, 549 grams. So Tika's up 9 grams from yesterday. Obi can go next. I know, it's so scary. Obi is what are you? 546. 546. He was 539 last night. What are you guys doing back there? Bloop. I'm gonna steal you. Oh, you're such a big girl. 460 grams. She was 451 last night. And last but not least is Miss Asha, who's over here. Come here, little one. Plop. $536. She was 530 last night. Good job, babies. Good job, babies. Too cute. What are you guys doing? Bloops. 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 Get her. Go get her. Get her, Tika. Mama. What are you doing? Hi. Hi. Hee hee hee. Cute little babies. Hi. What are you guys doing? Being silly. Tika's just rolling around. You just having a good time? What are you doing? What are you doing? Hi, Mama. Hi. Hi, Mama. What are you doing? You're silly. You're silly. Yeah, you are. What are you playing, Mama? Are you playing? Are you playing? Yeah? Are you being talkative? All your trills? I know. Yes, I know. I know. Oh, belly scratches. Too cute. Enough's enough. Too cute. What are you doing, Mr. Obi? Here, there's Tika. What are you doing? What are you doing? Bloop. You gonna be a big girl? You gonna be a big girl? Too funny. Yes, Mama. Very scary for you, I know. The kittens are growing up. Hi. I know. I know you love your attention. You love attention. I know. You do. I know you do. I know, Mama. I know. What are you doing, Asha? lots of toys. You have lots of toys. Hi. You're funny. You're funny, Mama. Hi. Are you sleepy? Let's plop you right here. Let's plop you right here. Are you watching your babies? Are you watching Asha? Why don't we put her over here? Bloops. Kitten pile. Kitten pile. You guys. Come here. So cute. Rihanna's just trying to go to sleep. Sleepy girl. You're a sleepy girl. Too funny. Alright everyone, I'm going to end the Periscope and get to some evening things I need to take care of. We'll be back tomorrow night, 8 o'clock Kitten Standard Time, for more adorableness with the Kenyan kittens. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and we'll see you tomorrow.